Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at the Mr. Coffee. This is a 12-cup coffee maker, and frankly, what is better than a good cup of coffee in the morning? Get that caffeine and get your day going. This is a manual coffee maker, available in black and white. It's tried and true with over 25,000 ratings, nearly a 5-star average. This is one of the best-selling manual coffee makers on the market, and if you're not looking for those overpriced, do everything, you're never going to use all the espresso functions. Coffee, I reviewed recently a coffee maker that was $700. And frankly, all you do is make coffee with it. So this is a great coffee maker. You can use it. It'll last a decade, probably more. You're going to have this potentially for a long, long time, and it's going to make great coffee for you every morning. Look at the ratings. It gets great ratings, almost a 5-star average. It's got that A to Z guarantee with Amazon, which means free shipping, free returns. And yeah, if you don't like it for any reason, you can just send that bad boy back. But let's face it, Mr. Coffee's been around for decades. People have been trusting and using Mr. Coffee. They don't have any bugs. This is a good brand, and you're going to absolutely love it. So order yours today. You won't be disappointed. High quality. It's going to keep your coffee hot all day. You're going to be able to use it again and again, and it's just a good device. Thanks for watching. All
Right, I've had this coffee maker for about 3 months, and the power button is broken. It will not come on. The power button has failed. For a while there, I could play with it a little bit and get it to where it turns on, but now it's completely not working. And it's plugged in, but if you read the other reviews, it seems like a lot of people have been having issues with the power button. I posted a video before, but for some reason they won't allow it to post, so I'm posting this one. This is supposed to be an Amazon approved whatever, but there's a lot of people that have problems with the power switch.